Amish Quiz, type your first and last name. Click play to listen to a question. Click pause to give yourself time to think and answer the question. And then click play when you're ready for the next question. You can also rewind to hear that question again. Number 1, why did the Amish move to the United States? To use electricity to make life easier, to find a place where they could follow their religion, to search for gold so they can buy what they want. Number 2, in Reuben and the Fire, what was the role of men? Rebuilding the barn, cooking and serving the food, calling their Amish neighbors. Number 3, in Reuben and the Fire, what was the role of the women? Calling their Amish neighbors, cooking and serving the food, rebuilding the barn. Number 4, in Reuben and the Fire, how did the Amish depend on the non-Amish community? For food and clothing, to bring equipment to put out the fire, to rebuild the barn. Number 5, what is the purpose of Rumspringa within the Amish community? To purchase popular clothing, to experience modern technologies, to make informed decisions on how to live their adult life. Number 6, the Amish will join the military and armed forces, true or false? Number 7, the Amish pay taxes to the government, true or false? Number 8, the Amish choose to live in what type of community, urban, suburban, or rural? Number 9, choose 3 objects you would find in an Amish community. Your choices are television, cell phone, gas lantern, buggy, horse-pulled plow, Chromebook. Make sure you choose 3. Number 10, the Amish settled in what county and state when they first moved from Germany? Lancaster, Pennsylvania, Newark, Delaware, Cecil County, Maryland. Which goods do the Amish make for themselves? Shoes and clothing, fuel and cloth, food and fuel, or food and clothing. Number 12, which goods do the Amish buy from non-Amish communities? So which goods do the Amish not make for themselves and buy from our community? Food and cloth, shoes and food, shoes and cloth, or food and fuel? Number 13, what word does Reuben always use to name his puppies? Shine, sun, snow, or shadow? Number 14, name one way you are similar to Reuben in either Reuben and the Fire or Reuben and the Blizzard. So think of one way you are similar in either story that we read together. If you missed class, then you went back and listened to the recording of the story. So think about the story and Reuben and name one way that you're similar to Reuben. Number 15, what type of bird hatched out of the fancy egg in the story Just Plain Fancy? Was it a chicken, a duck, a peacock, or a swan? Number 16, in the story Just Plain Fancy, the girls named their new chick Fancy. Was Fancy shunned? Yes or no? Number 17, the Amish graduate from high school. True or false? Number 18, the Amish schools typically only have one room. True or false? Number 19, Amish children are assigned homework in school. True or false? Number 20, the Amish are allowed to vote in elections. True or false? Two extra credit questions. The first, who is our new President of the United States? And your second, who is our new Vice President of the United States? Check over your work. Click Submit when you're done. Let me know that you're done so that I can check to make sure that I have your score. Good luck. If you have any questions, raise your hand.